Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of uploading a bill of materials in bulk. To get started, let's first head over to All Modules, then select Production, and from there, choose Bill of Material. Here, you'll notice an option for bulk actions. In the top right corner, there's an action button. We need to select Add New BOM. Let's proceed with that. Here you'll find an option to download the Excel template, which we'll use to upload our data in bulk. Go ahead and download the template, and once you have it, open the file. For demonstration purposes, I've already added some data to it. Let me explain the data setup. The first column is for the serial number, followed by the FG item ID and item name for which you wish to create a BOM. Then we have the unit of measurement for that FG and the BOM number series. This number series should be taken from the settings part already available to you. You can simply copy and paste the BOM number format into this space. Next, enter a BOM name for your reference, then add your stores, which include the FG store, RM store, and scrap stores. You can add a BOM description if needed, set the FG cost allocation to 100, and, if desired, include any comments. In the FG comment section, you can add further details if necessary. After that, switch to the RM sheet. Here, you must again enter the FG item ID and BOM number series. Then input the raw materials item IDs and descriptions, followed by the quantity required to produce 1 unit of your FG. Specify the unit of measurement for each raw material. You can also add comments if needed. If your BOM includes scrap items, be sure to list them in this sheet. After that, proceed to the routing section. You'll again need to mention the FG ID and BOM number series. For routing, include the routing number and routing name. These should be available in your system and can be copied and pasted. If needed, you can add other charges. Once everything is filled out, go ahead and save the file. After saving, navigate to the Transfer section to upload the Excel file you created. I've just uploaded mine, and it shows no errors or warnings. If there are errors in your sheet, they will be displayed here. For now, there are no issues, so it confirms with a "No Error and Warnings" message. Let's proceed. I'm selecting the Proceed option, and it prompts me to finish the upload. These are the items queued for uploading. After reviewing everything, I go ahead and select the Finish option. The system confirms with a message saying 1 BOM was successfully uploaded. From here, I can navigate back to the Bill of Material page. If I open the first BOM that was just uploaded, you'll see the finished goods and raw materials we prepared in the Excel file. This process allows you to add multiple bills of materials using the provided format and upload them all at once. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.